Hey guys, welcome back to Drew's channel. I'm right here with Jeff, and today we're going to be doing a clay bar, some detail cleaning on Marcus's Speed 6, and possibly Jeff's as well after. And then, yeah, this is going to be a quick before shot before anything goes down. Hopefully you guys enjoy this quick little vlog. Getting that little dirtiness. I don't know if you can see all that dirtiness. So this is all before.
The roof is the nastiest part.
Yeah, the roof is pretty nasty. So yeah guys, enjoy this little video. I'll go ahead and do like a little cool vlog type of thing. Alright guys, next step is clay barring. I interrupt this video to let you guys know that the individual you'll be seeing in the second is Marcus, and he's the one that owns this sexy Speed 6 that I fell in love with after the detailing. I was already in love with it, but you know, after you detail a car, it just fall right in love. I just wanted to take that thing and give it my car for the day, so I could go and show it off. But anyways, I'll go ahead and add his Instagram in the next clip, so you guys can check it out. And I'll go ahead and give you guys Jeff's Instagram as well in the description, so you guys can check him out. And he's the one that owns the Red Speed. So real quick rundown is that we ended up doing, the rinse, and then we did the soap with the water gun, and clay barring, some wax, some polishing, some tire shining, and some amazing work that mainly came from Jeff and his awesome technique. So I was just there to help him out for whatever he needed. But anyways, guys, let's continue with the video, and I hope you guys are enjoying this.
Right? You'll see little...
Every Speed 6 owner needs to double check their oil, because these things leak like crazy. I mean, unless you know what you're doing.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. Because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone, and one we intend to win, as the others do.
Alrighty guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't do like an outro because we ended up doing some other things and I just didn't record or anything. I was just enjoying the day. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys have a great day. Be positive. Stay humble. Have a blessed day. Until next time, Georgie.